One and all, short and tall, big and small. My name is Amina Blackwood-Meeks. And what about Queen Amina? She was from Nigeria when it did name Azaria. That was the name of our little sister. She also had a little brother who did love to do nothing but go outside and run up and down and get himself in a trouble. Meanwhile, now, Amina, from she little bit, she love follow her father, go to big people meeting, the council of elders, and listen to what them was saying, man, about how to learn about money, how to learn about kingdom building, and how to learn about strategies to win at life and war. Meantime, our little brother out to do, a run up and down, get himself in a trouble, till them grow big and trouble find him. And every time him trouble wanna trouble him and the trouble bigger than him go find him sister. And ask her what to do. Amina know, she come with a strategy. She used to hear her father talk about to get her little brother out of trouble. Till one day, our little brother get into a trouble that was bigger than the biggest trouble them ever see before. And him run for him little sister, cause guess what him do? Him go next door and trouble the village. And the village send out some big soldier man, some warriors, pan some horse. And Amina call up for her warriors now, man, for go defend the whole kingdom. Because the other warriors them say, them coming for Amina brother, Amina sister, Amina and the whole kingdom. So now, Amina gather up her army and get pan her war horse and start to giddy up towards the oncoming army, which was large. It was huge. It was massive. Amina army catch them afraid now and drop every sword at ground and turn back. Amina turn round too, but she not run. She pick up every sword where fear warrior them drop a ground. You see when the other army see her do that, fright nearly kill them. For them think this woman must be well she a mad out. She a mad out. And when her army now saw what she had done, them couldn't make the other army take them queen. So them turn around too and start giddy up behind Amina. Amina just start chew a sword, give them man. At that time the other army catch them afraid. Cause it's like Amina man them now a mad out, them supercharge. They make a charge to the invading army. Them spin, them roll and fled. And the whole kingdom was safe. That was the last time Amina brother trouble what never trouble him. And from that day, everybody call her Amina the Faithful, as capable as any man.